Good morning, my dear students. Yengka, sise na koida pau budi tanara musiyaram manika. Emanu ay to pau ne. Akoi ka school da punna puminaram boka. Akoi ki sarsana jaw boka. Akoi na si hana kangwani physics tam bo ja doka. Ngarang lay gidre ka mahaksu apu magi lay konda ka ingda signa pajana layba oisano mahak se koi skunda awana pajana pubiram bo asani ka school gi pajana hona chokotna ba pagana bakana hona biramba adugumba ana sincere way ba dedicated way ba dugumba osa amane mahak lay tabase kuju yam thamoi sona nuaite ka hangbusu ajana covid sina maram oidana ajana su khanghaudrai magi anaba kai kai taw ko ka adu laitraba kanda pawse tana konina koisa mateng pa ko pa am hauda bagi tamta koisu ja sing su yam nuaite bam phawe aduna yanga oza mamu kai kunaba waina minute amtang ka tumina này là các bạn quỷ cây cũng là bộ sĩ cỏ thấy không hầu là xiên không điện đâm tâm cỏ ok 1 2 3 Siga loina na class mu hawar siya ka pai tai bumi ba sisu loina makun no mate loina sakhi do nga tani ka kona angi wa tani dan learning ai da ingai kun si sida ka kun si mate ka sida koina tawran mu thabak sing se tungi yum parents sing na tungda lakada ba generation sing na kai kumdana adana khanghoba ngamna nam ki dam tani ka angamba koina hona dana tung yung brand singita na koi kita magta koi na kari tau ngamge habi tu kata koi angam batu kara katani na koi share tau buka aduna yang dari makha satar se ngasi se that 27 ka July tha suloi tore aduna yang na koi gi term 1 exam hai tare ka as per the guided by the CBSE na har ki matungina koi gi November December da term 1 gi exam ma compulsory la ane MCQ type the ka adugi exam adugi damakta prepare tawdaba yade aduna you get ready yourself asana fazil ready tawraga layuka haiba important questions sing amma yam kana khan gano ai ki tapon tokpa as a student satra moina ai ki sangna na larik pa ka tapa ai ki sangna na tawga taba ithau adu fazil sangna na tawga taba nika oja sing important pe khala tore pe khal ki important suggestion ngai tuna leibadu kanate yandabra akoina haiba taiba singsida ahenba aduga tani kona koina thigadaba endar maisa koi osa we are here only to guide you ka nakoi ki khangdaba kotaba lamchin lamta fiba katani asat kadaba lambi di nakoina wai gadoine endar ba nakoi ki lambi da koina chalo ba yaroi nakoi ki kokta brand da akoina sangaga brand da leiru ba yaroi ka aduna yanga dari mahasata se endar ba Narangi question da up to what number we have finished ka question number 10 bow 10 year man number 2 the homework be given ni adra loina toram mane na satawi ka angang khanati I got through SMS or channel ka WhatsApp ki through da khara phange adubu yamna watli ka phangada ba masing aduna yanga narangi makha sathaboina question number 11 the yanga se now everyone open the exercise and read the question number 11 enga exercise sang tok naraba yare ka Lakshmi Araba. And question 11 saying, if the sum of the first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square. AP series की n सुबह term बुता tinjalapagi masing se 4n minus n square never. Then what is the first term? And the first term di kana no hai. Then that is S1 and high. S1 high is kadi no have the yang sika. And what is the sum of the first two term? The ahan batam ani do. Adu tinjalapagi ang kapuna kaya we gadoy na hangin ka. Then what is the second term? Second term the kaya no. Similarly, adu khang targa di kadore. Third term puto, 10 term puto, amadi n term puto on hare. Question again taika. Yang question sina hare se muna tahu ka. Question se yam sange. Question se yam iba daw jam 10 no ka. Adu hot mato di mana question hangi se. Question yam na yami ka. Almost question mga ni yang ana kay kay na hare si yang se nga. Question number 11. Given the man appears Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Ka. Aduka hangis na kanano to find A1 hange. Ka. Then adu matun na kari hange S2 hange. Yan tayo ka. Then adu matun na kari hange A2 hange, juga A3 hange, then A10 hange, and amana kanano NF term hange. Iko 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 term niko hangi set. And darba pyramid is the karino only S and to get the Nikapirisica. At the mana sita kanon pali A1 have Sikanaga mana, get him at them the S1 gamana. Manzuma nagadini ngo S1 hai bigyan to kay niya ngo A1 A2 A3 sumla ito na tra kaya kung no AN bong ni yan tara ka but S1 A1 hai biske SN hai biske kali kana ge ngo SN hai lang di kay no A daki na N bong tin kan lo hai bune ba yan tara ba S1 hai ta di kay wala ni 1 kitang tin jana to isa tingala di kita ore A1 kata ni kita lakukan jadi A1 ni kanano first term tu ni ka. Adu kana S1 will be equal to kanano A ko mana ka tu ni ka. Adu na mana bracket manung tu within the bracket mana pilih do first term putu harga S1 na mana mention tahu itu ka. Adu na ngo S1 kamai putu kani hai. Ngarang ko na question number 10 na yang kiba tu maina P diva expression itu ta n di value sila 1 sinjalan ba. Adu kana pang tu ina S1 pangani 2 sinjalan kan S2 pangani 3 sinjalan S3 pang tu ni ka. Itu makian taga tu ka. Adu na ngo sinakan ni semuta lagi yung ka. So now, kay lalagyan ang patama oras nga Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. And at n equal to 1. 1 is matamda S1 value kya lani se 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So that is S1 is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Yan talaga. S1 kay taraba, which is also its first term. Yan talaga. Now what do you have? A1 pange ka. Halaga A pange. Next ito na S2 puto ko din S2 puto ka din gawin siya at n equal to 2. N na 2 ang matanda S2 will be equal to kanalani siya 4 into 2 minus n square. N square means 2 square. 4 into 2 is how much? 8. My 2 square is 4. That will be equal to 4. Yan tayo ka. So we have also found S2 pange. The 8 is the command function in Senga. S2 have you to now? A1 plus A2 have you. Yan tayo ka. The A2 puto kaya tayo kita rin siya. S2 dagi si sompang toro dagi kay lene A1 lakra ado kay daw A2 means S2 minus A1 clear yan ka ado na yung and we have S2, that is A plus A2. Then S2 how much we get? When the function can 4. A kya panggiba? 3. A2. Therefore A2 will be equal to 4 minus 3, that is how much? 1. Clear? Hey, what's that? Can that be possible? Okay, sing the sinjalo hana. Yaradra? Yareka? Next time we are saying, Kai Puto Y, A3 Puto Hare. And the A3 to take when a carry Kangmatakar way, we need to have the values of D. They give you Kangmatakar way ka. And then D will come to journey. D will be equal to A3 minus A2. Napagana A2 minus kanano A2 minus A1 ka. Now, then D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 was how much? 1 leg. Then A1 was how much? 3. So it will be equal to minus 2. Clear? Okay, goes here. What's that here? A3 will be how much? A2 plus B higera to the one vera or A n before Nagata Laga A plus n minus 1 whole bracket B the policy I got. Then that was that. The A2 A2 was how much? 1. 1 plus minus 2. So you will be the answer 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. Then that was. Now we have the values of A3. A3 later. Then what are the remaining? Okay, Walori A3 putokramatung da A10 ga A katanga natra. So now A10. A10 ni kana mana ba A plus 9D. So A is how much? A is 3 plus 9. D value was how much? Minus 2. So 3, how much we have? Minus 18. That will be equal to minus 15. Yeah? Then go see what? Now we have the values of AN. AN you move to the AN you have to apply the formula. Formula can understand A plus n minus 1 whole bracket D. So A was how much? 3, and to become governor we to write n as it is. D was how much? Minus 2. We simplify it, then 3 plus 2 minus twice n. So it will be equal to 5 minus twice n. And that was it. Ang galing ko singgay. Yan tower pero na. Nalay ka. Okay, note it down. Sinjala singa. Yan ka today. Now let's look at question number 12. Sama 12 tamu yan nara. Simul tate ka. Final sum of the first 40 positive integer divisible by 6 7 6 na yen be ba positive ham bagi 40 tam da adu gi value kaya ta ga da gi hang mani ka kisi am lai le ha. First we need to form an AP ka AP series ma same ha. AP is equal to 7. So, Ahamada multiples of 6 kana yung siyang ka. So So first term, that is first multiple of 6. Cái nào ini xem 6 lại. Second cái nào ini of 6 is how much? 12. Nah, kita nikah and so on. Then apa? Ada di AP series kemarin lah ni yang then AP will be 6, 12, 18. Kita kita ini. Aduga kaya subatam 40 subot natra. Adamana sida 40 subatam haiba putosu yare. And for last term haiba su sida siyama yare ka. Last term will be of 6 is the unit. That is 40 term haiba su ka. Sina agare. Usanji na tu nila ka. With 40 into 6 layer, that is 240. And last term ka na wadi na 40 yore ka doiba. And that was it. Other APCs makang target we can easily find its sum hydra. Love to Janabian Capon can target if Putopang Ganika. And the Kamina saying here what we have A is equal to 6, B will be 12 minus 6, that is 6, and N value is how much? N is 40. And then aduna we knew that when thangi form na kana whatever Sn is equal to n by 2 all bracket twice a plus n minus 1 all bracket b. So the policy or Sn is equal to n by 2 whole bracket first term plus last term the policy ka. Yenga the following policy n value is how much? 40 le 40 divided by 2, 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1, b is 6. So simplify it, 40 divided by 2 is 20, 20 all bracket 12, this is 40 minus 1 is 39, 39 into 6. So 20 all bracket 12 plus, it will be how much? 6 9s are 54, 5 carry the then 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. So we add this 2, that is 6, 4, 2. Clear? 2, 4 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, 2. So on multiplying this, form is get 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 9, 2 2 4 0. And I go say, therefore sum of the 40 positive multiple of 6 is 4920. So some you apply here 20 by 2, A is 6, what was the last term? That is 240. So 20 by, sorry, let me 40. On dividing, so we get 20 is how much? 246. So on multiplying, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 9, 2 2 4 0. Now we get the same value, right? Come on, pangi ka. Ato to na yang na si wala suyare, si wala suyare ka. Hanga drasima yani ka. And the conclusion na kamay tharane sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6 divisible by 6 is 4920. This is the answer. Clear? Okay, single sinjalo yang okay, once you finish this, read the next question. Next question is similar with the question number 12 ka. Question number 12 ko sama nay aduna kay daw it will be given as homework ka. Homework ito okay. And then question number 14 this yang question number 13 sabi para kiya ka. Find the sum of the 15 multiples of 8 habini ka. Sine 8 way deba. Hain sai 6 way gibeda. Sine 8 way ka deba. Aduna AP sa kana la ni sa 8 16 na la ka duni ka. Ada dana kana la ni 15 la ni aduna line hot pe ani ka. Arba sa yani ka. The question number 14 this yang find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and the 50. Sisulai dra 0 ga 50 की मरकत लईबा पॉजिटिव और इंटीजर्स में तुम जनबा क्या ताकत के हमें निकला यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 या 14 या 18 हाइलाइट किए गए हैं अदो हम अंक नंबर का यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 की दा सिहोमा वाला कदर नहीं so multiple of 8 the first multiple di kana warani 8 warani second multiple di kana warani multiple aba di khangi ka na pa 8 is kya wala se 16 wala bi ka aduna last ka hai 15 multiples hai ramana 15 multiples of 8 that will be 8 into 15 what will be equal to 120 ka and AP series क्या होगा सर 8 16 24 तो काय मिळाली 120 गुणिले पकडली का नंतर कसं ते बघूया का आणि सीएम लाइन वर पण गमत राहा मनी का आणि तो सब मान रहे आता एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 नमू यांगा 14 जना करी हाय और integer or positive integer का between 0 and 50 अभी कना होए AP series में kuma tanda हम तो 1 लानी हम 3 लानी 5 लानी 7 लानी इनका कितना लानी लास्ट टाइम में कना लेने 49 लाता तो ये सुनिका समय ना AP series में सेम टारगेट दिन कोई से ऊपर तो है नहीं का हंगद्रा यानी का यंगा सिके अनिसिमो होमांग तो रो यंतारबा अदु दुर्गा द खंग द को तो यावरा के तो भांगो का याद्रा सिमा ओके सिंग सिन जलो होमा के यारे को तो दे यंगा होमांग से सिके लोइना ना masiki class telo salasika dina yanga positive oiba anaba sum sing sum hen kala ika dana section yum da laina se yan darbai se adubu chhatra mo oiri habe sudi kaugum sika moreover na koi in class 10 da lagi dori nika lagi ka aduna you know better ka that you are going to face a very important common exam in your life ka na ko consider amna maroi ba important common exam ma so na taw gani have sinika endarba ang to kada ju face taw to ni adu na bidam ka re you should get ready ka fazana ready to lai ga da mane angadra yare ko sima adi pare nga masigi dis talo salase na yumem da fazana section na no na layu ka yare ko to de okay bye see you all in the next class bye bye